In this video, I'm going to show you a quick Claude Code skills hack where you can take any existing skill markdown file, repurpose that, and then personalize it with your own details to get the best outputs possible in your specific situation. This is going to be a very useful tutorial, so I recommend sticking around until the very end. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan. I appreciate you being here. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools, prompts, automation templates, and even some of my Claude Code skills, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can find the link for that in the video description or pinned comment below. So first of all, if you haven't created skills yet within Claude Code, these are just markdown files that act as SOPs for AI models to create tasks by following specific instructions and best practices. They act as context and a reference so AI can produce the best outputs possible. I think skills are super underrated, and I would recommend watching my tutorial on how to build Claude Code skills if you've never done this before. I'll leave that in the video description below. But notice how I have skills for various tasks. Email newsletter skill, infographic skill, keyword research skill, LinkedIn post writer skill, social media skill, YouTube SEO skill, so on and so forth. I have dedicated skills for specific tasks. Now, for this particular tutorial, let's say, for instance, that you found skills somewhere on the internet that could be skills offered by Anthropic, the company who owns Claude. They came out with their own skills like front-end design, skill creator, PDF skill, MCP builder, so on and so forth. Or you could get some of my skills, which are available in my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. I'm going to give you a few skills for free. But the point I'm trying to make here is that once you have access to a skill markdown file, that skill markdown file is not going to do much for you unless you provide added context that relates to your writing style or your specific instructions or your examples, right? Like a front-end design skill is not going to be very helpful or relevant if it doesn't know what are your fonts, what are your style guides, right? It needs to have that extra layer of context to produce the best outputs as possible in your given situation. So in this example, let's say you download my LinkedIn post writer skill, which I have available right here. So let's say you download this. So I'm going to download this skill markdown file as an example. I'm going to drag that off to the side here, just right on my desktop. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize this. Let's open up Claude Code. And now we're going to repurpose this LinkedIn post writer skill. So what I'm going to do is start a fresh chat. I'm going to simply upload this skill markdown file right here inside Claude Code. So I don't know if it worked. Let's go ahead and shift. Let's drag it in here. And here's the LinkedIn post writer. Then what I'm going to do is I have a prompt that I will leave in my free AI marketing guide that you can get access to for free. So I'm going to copy this prompt. Let's come back here, paste it into the Claude Code chat. I'm going to say I'm going to give you a skill markdown file for generating LinkedIn post, blah, blah, blah. There's all this context here. And basically what I'm telling it to do here is to rewrite the skill file so that every instruction, template, and example reflects my tone, style, and voice while keeping best practices for effective hooks, post structure, engagement tactics, anything else that makes LinkedIn posts perform well. I'm also telling it to use my skill creator skill. So I have a skill dedicated to creating other skills. That's a mouthful to say. And then I told it to call it LinkedIn post skill. So what I need to do next is I have a document of all of my highest performing LinkedIn posts. So I'm going to copy that, come back to Claude Code, and then I'm going to come in here. Let's minimize this a little more so you guys can better see it. And I'm going to say, here are my LinkedIn post examples in my writing style. And so then I'm going to paste my post examples right here. And if there is any other context that you can provide in addition to just writing post examples, the more the merrier here. And so what I'm going to do now is click enter. And by the way, if you're stuck or confused, on why I'm using that skill creator skill. You don't have to do that to create skills, but you can get my skill creator skill for free in my AI marketing essentials guide. That's just an easy way for me to create new skills. So here it's reading my skill creator skill, and then it's taking all of this context into consideration. So I'm going to skip ahead and wait till this is complete. All right, so here is that newly created LinkedIn post skill that I can now use going forward in Claude Code. And you'll notice here, it told me exactly what it did to change that original LinkedIn skill that I uploaded. It changed the voice section, it changed the post structures, the hook rules, the closing lines, the formatting, and then it did some other details here, like it added post length guidelines, recursive quality loop, it removed some, engagement questions, the 40 to 90 word bot. So it changed that existing skill based on the examples that I provided it and repurposed that into a new skill that better matches my style, my tone, etc. Now, I think this is super, super important for you guys to understand this, because as you're going to start to see more people release their own skills, or maybe other companies will release their own skill markdown files, it may seem intriguing to just download those skill files, upload them to Claude Code, and just start using them. But you have to understand that without your added context, those skill markdown files aren't going to be very useful. So that's why I wanted to create this tutorial to show you how you could properly repurpose a skill markdown file with your added context to produce the best outputs for your particular situation. And so I hope you found this video helpful on repurposing Claude Code skills. And if you did find value here, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That truly means a lot, as I spend hours putting together these types of videos for you. But most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.